I'm Ria Valentine and you're watching my Little Kids channel. So today I'm going to make a Teacher's Day greeting card. So let's get started. Before that, let me start with a small quote about Teacher's Day. Great inventors and leaders are not born. They are motivated and inspired to do great things by great teachers like you. You are not only a teacher, you are our friend, philosopher and guide. All molded into one person, we will always be grateful for your support. You guide us, you support us, you inspire us, you teach us. Today is the day to thank you and say Happy Teacher's Day. To make the greeting card, we need some color paper, marker, scissor, scale and some glue too. First, take the red paper and let's cut it like a rectangle shape. This is the body of the pencil. Now let's cut the edge. This part is the tip of the pencil. Please be careful while you using your scissors. For me, my daddy helped me to do this. Now the body part is ready. Now let's make the bottom of the pencil. The bottom part is ready now. Now let's make the tip of the pencil using a sandal color paper. Measure with the pencil and start cutting like this. Teachers are very special. During these lockdown days, I miss my teachers very much. Who is your favorite teacher? Comment below. Now the top part is ready. Let's give some details to it. If you cut like a small curve shape, it will look so real as like a pencil. See, the top part is ready now. Now let's stick it with the glue. Let's draw the tip of the pencil with the black marker. And now let's draw the black lines as like in the pencil. And now my paper pencil is ready. Now let's cut the pencil into 2 equal parts. The top part is ready now. Let's make the message part. For that, take black paper and fold it like this. Now let's take the pencil over the black part. And now it's done. Now my pencil greeting card is ready now. See how nicely it is popping out. Now let's write the message. I am using a silver glitter pen to write the message so that it look contrast on the black background. You can decorate your card as like you wish. I am decorating with some sparkling stars with it. Now my pencil greeting card is ready now. I am dedicating this card to all my lovely teachers. Happy Teachers' Day!